So here we are, walking south down Jomtien Beach Road, just south of Pattaya. We're going to walk down maybe 200 meters yards to Jomtien Night Market. I know the sun's still up, but this is now 6 o'clock in the evening, and the night market opened at 5, so it's already been open for an hour, and the sun's on the way down now. I wanted to go a little bit earlier so to get better light for the video. My name's Daryl, by the way. I've lived in Thailand since 2012. There's something in particular that I want to go look for at the market, which I want to buy. My old one's worn out and I want to go buy a new one. So we'll go and see if they have what I want. So we'll just walk down and have a look. Okay? While we're walking, you may have noticed that the people, like 99% of the people, are Thai. There are very, very few foreigners. I think I'm one of the very few around at the moment. Simply because there's just no tourism. There's nobody being allowed in the country at all. That will change on the 1st of July when they will allow in people with work permits and people who are married to a Thai person. That they'll be allowed in, but then it's going to be another month or two before proper tourism starts, and I think it'll be well toward the end of the year before you have any real tourism like it used to be, maybe even next year. So that's the bay, beautiful bay, lovely, isn't it? And nice clean beach. And this is Jomtien Night Market. This guy's got an infrared camera, not cheap. In case you're wondering what he just said, alloy means tasty or taste good. Okay. This is Pad Thai, very popular in Thailand. I personally prefer it when they wrap it in an omelette. I think it's just nicer that way. That's only me. Oh look, Fabergé eggs. Do you think they're real? Probably about as real as these giraffes are, I would think. I look for your shop. I want hat. I think you have some nice ones. Yeah. You have. What about Nike? Nike. Yeah. Oh, you have that one as well, gold. Yeah, have a look. Okay, let me try. So that's the old one, and I think that's going to be the new one. Okay, 150 baht.
Yeah.
Okay. Song Lai. Okay, I got all your change. Thank you, Kop Kum Krab. Thank you. Okay, good. What I wanted. Great. When I first came to Thailand, I used to see all this stuff, and I thought it was all sort of handmade in Thailand, but got a feeling it's not. It's all Buddhist stuff, and I think it's from China. More than likely manufactured in some place there. Oh, these t-shirts, all t-shirts in the market, all of them were 200 baht, which is not expensive. We'll see in a minute. I'll just pop it up on the price up. If you're wondering what that noise is, in the background they're doing some building work. There's a huge skyscraper being built next door, so that's what that noise is.
Yes. อันนี้สปิริต อันนี้วิสกี้ อันนี้เคียว